Hi everyone! Today we're gonna draw a cool bunny resting on a beach towel. Let's get started. To draw the bunny, I'm gonna start with the ears. So first, let's draw a slanted line that goes up and round it off at the top and comes back down. And next, let's draw a soft curve that connects the two ears. And then at the end of the curve, we're gonna draw a second ear following the same angle up and back down. Now from the bunny's face, we're gonna draw a gentle curve out and bring it back in. To draw the bunny's body, we're gonna start here and we're gonna draw a curved line out and comes back towards the center. Same on the other side, curved line out and comes back towards the center. And we're gonna round it off and bring it back. So this will be the bunny's arms and they are resting on his belly. Now let's add some details to the face. We're gonna start by drawing the nose. So I'm gonna draw an upside down triangle, shade it in. And at the bottom of the triangle, I'm gonna draw down a soft curve down and towards the right, down and towards the, I said it wrong, down towards the left and down towards the right. And I'm going to let my bunny wear some cool sunglasses. So for the shape of the lens, I'm gonna start with a rounded square and draw the other lens that follows the same shape. And I'm gonna draw a soft curve connecting the two lenses as the bridge of the glasses. And then at each end, I'm gonna draw a short line that comes out. So this will be the arms of the sunglasses and they're resting on the bunny's face. To continue with the body of the bunny, I'm gonna give myself, I'm gonna find where the armpits are. So I'm gonna give myself 2 points. So the armpits will be right around here. And then from each point, I'm gonna draw a slanted line that comes down. And then we're gonna follow the same angle below the arms, comes down, and then curve out to the right. So this will be the bunny's legs. And the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna draw the feet. So from here, I'm gonna start drawing by a slanted line that comes up, round it off, and comes back down. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line that divides the legs. Let's add some details. So I'm gonna add 2 soft lines on each foot to separate the toes. Same on the hands to show some fingers. And don't forget the tail. So I'm just gonna pop it out right here by drawing a circle to show the fluffy tail of the bunny. Now let's add some details to the sunglasses. To show the reflections of the sunglasses, I'm gonna draw 2 thin slanted lines on each lens. So this will give the sunglasses a very cool look. Now to show, to color the reflections, I'm gonna use gray. And we'll fill the rest of the sunglasses with black. So there we have our bunny, and then I'm going to draw the beach towel. So I'm gonna use blue, and we're gonna draw a slanted line that goes under the ears, goes up, kind of comes down this way. Make sure that it is wide enough to cover the entire body. And I'm just gonna let it end here. Okay, and I am going to add some stripes. So I'm gonna draw some straight lines that goes under the ears. Make sure that the lines are straight and horizontal. I'm gonna make this one thicker. Okay, so now let's color them in. Finally, I'm gonna give my bunny a sleeve short in yellow. I'm gonna draw here the bottom edge of the shorts, and then right around the waist, I'm gonna draw a waistline, and I'm gonna shade it in. Finally, I am going to add some details to the ears. So I'm going to draw a pink inner ear. You can follow the same angle of the edge and then comes down. And that is the end of our drawing today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And make sure that you turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any new weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.